This is the Homedics Total Comfort Warm and Cool Mist Ultrasonic Humidifier. It's sold at COSTCO for $59. You can see here what the box looks like. In this video, I'm going to unbox it, show you how it works. I'll go through the setup procedure with it. And I'm going to link a video to this where I set this up in a room with a humidity monitor. And I'll monitor the humidity every hour so you can see in the video how much it increases the humidity in that room. There's that side. Now if you live in a climate like I do where it gets really dry in the winter, sometimes when you sleep at night, the dryness really irritates your membranes. You don't really sleep very good. You kind of wake up with a sore throat. That's where this humidifier is going to come in handy. You know, normally our winters we're down close to 28 to 30% humidity, which is very dry. It irritates your skin, makes you itchy. And this unit here is going to increase the humidity in your home, make it a little more comfortable. And you want to try and get it to around 40%. And this is actually, you can see there, it's programmable, so you can set it at like 39%, 40%, and it will turn on and off as needed. It does have a timer, and I believe it is a timer for up to 12 hours. So maybe you just want it to, run for a little while. You'll program it to shut off after about 3 hours. Maybe you're leaving for the day or something like that. A lot of great features in this for only $59. Another cool feature, this comes with a Lavender Essential Oil. And you don't ever want to put the oil in with the water. You actually put the oil on these pads, and these pads slide into a tray underneath the back side of the humidifier. That's if you just want to add some scent to the water. And one important thing about humidifiers, you want to use filtered water. You don't want to use just straight tap water. The harder the water, the worse your white dust is going to become. This does come with demineralization filters. You just drop one of these in each tank, and that's going to help with the demineralization of your water. Now, if you can use distilled water, that's going to be the best. If you use hard tap water, you're going to get a white dust on your furniture and countertops. Go over the buttons on here. This is your mist output. This is your night light display. This means you want warm mist. You got a power button here. This is the clean transducer reset. So after you clean your transducer, you hit this button to reset it. Programmable timer and the programmable humidistat. You can fill the 2 water tanks with either a pitcher, or if you want to take the tanks off and take it to the faucet, they don't lift very good straight up. They lift a little bit better if you lift up and to the back. So once you've filled your water tanks, these are 1 gallon per tank. Make sure you have your demineralization filters in. Once you hit the on button, it's going to come up CO. That means continuously on. So it's just going to run until it runs out of water. Once it does run out of water, it will automatically shut off. Now, coverage for this, it says it's recommended for up to 560 square feet. So when I do my room test, I have a room in the house that is 240 square feet. So it is half the size of the max rating. And I'll do a test on that and link it to this video. So I'm going to show you the mist output. Right now, the mist output is on its lowest setting, so you could probably barely see any mist come out. Now it's on number 2, number 3, and this is pretty instant. Once you change the setting, you can tell the difference. There's output setting 4, and that's the highest setting, output level 5. Now, if you just want to set a certain percentage of humidity in your home, you hit this button here, and it's adjustable by 5% increments. I recommend you put it at about 40%. So the lowest it's going to go is 35, set it to 40, and that's going to try to maintain 40% humidity in the room that it's in. Now if you want to use the essential oil it comes with, or maybe you have your own scent you'd like to use, you just simply push in, and that will eject the tray, revealing the pad, and then you just drip your essential oil on this pad right here, put it back in, and you're ready to go. So here's a good view of the two demineralization cartridges, and they last maybe about 2 months, and then you're going to want to replace those. But the key to these things lasting is filtered water. That's why I had to buy a new one. These things will only last maybe 3-4 years if you just use normal tap water. Filtered water keep these cartridges fresh, and these humidifiers will last you a long time. Now in our area in Northern Illinois, this will last about 7 days before I have to put any more water into it. I don't recommend going any smaller than a 2-gallon. You don't want to fill this thing up, every 3-4 days. So this 2-gallon one is just a perfect size. If you look at the thickness of it, it's relatively thin, so it fits up against the wall pretty nice. It's not something that's obtrusive and sticks out in a room. Also, this knob here, it rotates 360 degrees, so you can angle your mist in any direction you want. Hope this video was helpful, and thanks for watching.